Hi there, I'm Dimitris Karlabidis, and in this video we will talk about the standard error of the sample proportion. Luckily enough, in the AP statistics and in other statistics subjects as well, this formula is provided to us. This formula, the standard error, is equal to the root of the sample proportion per a specific characteristic multiplied by 1 minus that sample proportion over the sample size. The standard error, we can directly see that it's inversely proportional to the sample size. The bigger the sample size is, the smaller the standard error will be. And we can see that as the p hat multiplied by 1 minus p hat gets bigger, and we have seen so many times that this applies when the p hat is closer to 0.5, then the standard of error gets bigger as well. But before we do that, I forgot one thing. What is standard of error? In small talks, in the simplest possible way, remember that the standard error just measures the variability of the sample proportion. Now, let's see one easy and quick application. In a sample of 500 adults, so n is 500, 304 of them, so 304 out of these 500, which leads to a sample proportion of 0.608. So 304 of them expressed their concern about unemployment. Find the standard error. Okay, the standard error would be 0.608 times 1 minus 0.608 and all that over 500. This means that it's 0.0218, and this number expresses the variability of this sample proportion. Before we go, don't confuse standard error with the margin of error. The standard error shows the variability of the sample proportion. The margin of error shows the biggest distance between the sample proportion and the true population proportion, and the margin of error is equal to the standard error times the corresponding z critical score, which is related to the specific confidence level we are working on each time. That's all. Go over the same concept again and again. If you have questions, don't forget to leave them in the section below. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. As always, thank you for watching. We will see you again. I'll see you again. We will meet on the next video where we will talk about 3 special scenarios and how to overpass them, how to solve them by following specific strategies. For now, as always, thank you for watching.